Over the last couple of weeks, I have made just over $1,300 in commission. As proof, I am currently in my analytics, so you guys can see there's no screenshots, there's nothing weird here. You can see there under monetization, it's got estimated rewards last 7 days, $183. So if I click onto that amount, it's going to go into another screen here. And if I go into the monetization tab again, as you can see, these are my analytics, and if I go to the last 30 days, you can see there $700, and you can see the sources of rewards slightly lower down there. It says TikTok Shop for Creator, and if I go to the last 60 days, you can see there 1,300k roughly. If I go further back than 60 days, it's actually more than that, but this only lets you go as far back as 60 days. So there's the proof. I spent no money on ads. This is a small account that is less than 1k followers, and in fact I did not even promote those videos. I simply just created them and uploaded them on TikTok. Now this is something called TikTok Shop Affiliate, where you do videos reviewing TikTok Shop products, and every time someone buys that product from the link in your video, you get paid a commission. So I'm just going to jump into my screen here. I'm actually using a tool called Shoplus. I've linked it in the description as well if you want to follow along and see the information that I am seeing. Now I'm going to count these steps that I took down from step number 5 to step number 1. So starting with step number 5, so in terms of finding trending products, it's pretty straightforward when you're using an analytics tool like Shoplus. All you do is go into the home page and you go into the products tab on the left hand side menu there, and then if you go into products, it's going to show you top sales for your region there. I'm based in the UK, so I'm mainly looking at that. There's the United States, Indonesia, Thailand, and all these other countries as well. So if you go into your region, you'll notice there that products are ranked, and all this is, it's telling you what are the most popular products in your region based on these dates that you can see, or these time periods you can see at the top there. You can look at what sold the most on TikTok Shop over the last day, what sold the most last week, and what sold the most for the entire last calendar month as well. I mean, you can take it further than that. You can look at longer periods of time, but just to keep things simple, this is what I looked at. Now the key thing you're looking for here is products that have consistently sold well over a long period of time, like a month for example. And as you can see here, straight away there are certain products that keep appearing regardless of whether I'm looking at last month, last week, last 24 hours. So if we look at these free soul apple cider vinegar gummies for example, they sold well yesterday. If I look at last week, they were still in the top 3 last week as well, and if I look at last month, they were still in that top 3 last month as well at number 2, which means the demand for this product is consistent. People are consistently buying this. It wasn't just a one hit wonder that disappeared after a single day. And if you look at other products as well within this ranking, you can see this portable wireless karaoke speaker as well. That was popular yesterday. Last week as well, a lot of people were buying it, and again last month a lot of people were still continuing to buy it as well. So it's a really good consistently selling product as well there. So products like that are what I was focusing on, so I know that I stand a higher chance of selling that product and earning commissions on it as well if I promote it on my TikTok Shop affiliate account. You can see as well the commission on these ranked products. Some have really good commissions, some of them have rubbish commissions, but this free soul apple cider vinegar gummies here, you can see 15% commission, which is pretty decent. Retail price is around $7.70, around £5. It's actually slightly higher than that. It's around £9 usually, around $10, $11. But the price fluctuates. It depends on what the shop wants to charge. There we go. That's more the normal price, $9.97 there, $12.83. Out of that, every time I sell it, I know that I'm going to get 15%, which is really good. So that's kind of the main thing that or the main area where I started is looking at what's selling, what's working well, and what's currently trending in the United Kingdom where I'm based, so I can make a better decision in terms of what I want to try and promote on my TikTok Shop affiliate account. Step number 4, which I think really helped me in earning that $1,300 in commission, was spying on other creators. And what I simply mean by that is looking at what other people are promoting already on their accounts, what's working well for them. Now, going back to the products that we were looking at, we obviously looked at the top 5 products here. I know that this Free Soul apple cider vinegar gummy is selling quite well consistently. So if I click on it here on Shoplus, I'm going to get taken to the product detail page. And this just tells me a bit more about how this product is performing. But what I'm interested in terms of spying on what other creators are doing is this tab here, this relevant videos tab. So I'm going to click on that. And what this actually shows me is other content creators that are promoting these Free Soul apple cider vinegar gummies. I can see different bits of information on this page. I can see the account name, I can see the hashtags that they used, I can see the follower count that they have, which doesn't really matter, by the way, whether you've got 1,000 followers or 100,000 followers on TikTok Shop. It does not make a difference. People with much fewer followers than you can still outsell you, so never worry about how many followers competition has. I've seen accounts that have millions of followers rank lower than accounts that have less than even 1,000 followers, so that makes no odds whatsoever. But most importantly, what I did is study these videos here, especially these top ones, top 5 videos, and listened to what they're saying, looked at the hashtags that they're using, how long these videos are, and also looked at just what they're saying, the script, etc. What this tells me is when I start creating my videos talking about these apple cider vinegar gummies here, which I know that are already selling very well, I want to try and be as close as possible to what these people are saying without necessarily copying them directly. I want to also be along the same lines, and this is a real good opportunity to be able to do that. All you do here on Shoplus is just click on the video and it actually takes you onto that person's page. You can download the video, you can download the script, and you can get an understanding of what they said in this video in order to perform as well as they did. Yes, there is some help from the algorithm as well, but it also gives you a nice step up to do what other people are already doing, what already works, not reinventing the wheel, not trying something complicated, something different. This is all the information you'll ever need to get your foot in the door right here. Piece of advice, I would avoid the ones that say ad, because these are being pushed by advertising money. So the shop that's selling the actual product has paid for this video to get more views, whereas these ones that haven't got ad, these are organic. This is just the TikTok algorithm pushing this forward. So those are the ones that I focused on. Now, the third thing that I did was allow sellers to use my videos as advertisements, ironically, which I've just been talking about here. So a nice little segue for you there. So what this means is when I create my organic videos, like these videos you can see here, if the shop that sells the product that I'm trying to promote and earn commissions from, if they really like the video and they want to give it an advertising push, so the shop will then go and pay TikTok to get more people to see your video. Now, a couple of good things are going to happen from that. Now, the first good thing is you're going to get more followers likely because more people are seeing your account, which is really good for your account growth. Okay, and the second thing is you're gonna get more sales because more people are gonna see that video, and it's a win-win for you and the shop that's paying for these ads, because they get more sales on their product and you get more sales and get your commission as well, which is, a win-win for everyone, and TikTok of course benefits from that also. Now, this is quite simple to switch on. All you do is just go onto your mobile, onto your TikTok profile, as you can see on the screen there somewhere, and just switch it on from there. So it just gives you a really good opportunity to be able to make more money and make more commission. Because remember, if a shop says that your video is doing really well, this is an opportunity for them as well to make more money. So if your video is picking up traction and the TikTok algorithm is really pushing your video, that shop is going to be like, right, I'm seeing dollar signs, let me push this video even more with advertising spend, and they make a lot more money and you make a ton of money off that as well. And this does mean obviously that more people are going to see your face. So if you against people seeing your face or your account as a TikTok shop affiliate, if you do show your face, then it's something that you want to think twice about, of course. Now, if you are enjoying this information, by the way, this case study of my own success was in $300 as a TikTok shop affiliate over the last number of weeks. Please do drop a like and consider subscribing on my channel. I generally talk a lot about making money on TikTok, a lot about TikTok shop affiliate and other ways of making money on TikTok as well. Now, step number 2 was taking all of this information that I've learned from my research using Shoplus here, and I actually put that into action by simply just filming my videos based off this information. Remember, I'm confident that I'm promoting a product that is selling well. I know that other people are doing well on this product as well. I know what they're saying in their videos because I was able to download the video. I was able to listen to their script. I was able to go into their profiles and just understand what they're doing to promote their video a lot more. So just creating my own videos, again, not copying what they're saying word for word, but just making it as close as possible to that, because I know that works. And just keeping it simple, keeping it basic. And also what other people are not mentioning as well is duets. Do not sleep on duets, because you can actually duet some of these videos using the duet feature on TikTok as well, which is a really good way to give you a leg up, because you've got the original person that created the video doing all the work and you're just duetting it. Don't be inactive in the duet. Obviously show the product. You want to also prove to the algorithm that you have got the product in hand. You want to be doing some movements, be a bit active and animated. Otherwise you might get a strike, you might get some violation points if you just sat there doing nothing and expecting to get paid from that duet. But do not sleep on duets, because they are another way of earning commissions as well. Number one thing that I would say really helped me in making as much money as I did as a TikTok shop affiliate, and again, I'm not bragging as in this is the biggest amount you'll ever make. This is my results are not a lot compared to some other people that are doing really, really well on TikTok shop affiliates. So please don't think this is me bragging, saying I'm the best when it comes to this. This is just me showing you how I achieved the results that I did and showing you guys that I know what I'm talking about when it comes to making money as a TikTok shop affiliate, because I have done it myself. The number one thing was a good product research strategy. Now, what I've been doing in this video is just at a high level going through how I did product research to get the product that's helped me make $1,300 plus over the last couple of weeks in commission as a TikTok shop affiliate. But I actually go into a lot more detail because I understand you might have some more questions when it comes to that. How do you get the product in hand? How does it work when it comes to the TikTok dashboard? What are the variables around this? A video on the screen right now which goes into a lot more detail about how to do product research, how to find the right products that you can promote as a TikTok shop affiliate. That should be on the screen right now. I'll see you in there.